Daddy Zeus.
Liverpool, I cannot hear you!
Yeah!
I am the Mad Dog Mike Angus, and it looks like it's pretty ram-packed here in Fusion, Liverpool today! Good to hear my dogs in the house! This is TNT Ignition Level Up. Who's excited for some wrestling out there today?
Yeah!
I know there's still people piling in, but we are going to be live on Triller in just a few moments' time. So let me hear how loud you lot can be!
Yeah!
Not too bad, not too bad.
Why?
It's not really good, guys. It's Rev Oscar this afternoon joining us. So we're going to get things underway in just a moment's time. I'll just give a big shout out to our commentary team up on the balcony. The marvellous Mark Adams in the house. And of course, he's off the page, ladies and gentlemen. It is the marvellous Ben Cecil. And a huge warm welcome here to Liverpool Fusion Nightclub. This is TNT Ignition Level Up! I am your ringing answer to Mad Dog, Mike Angus, and it's time to get things started with our opening contest of the day.
Oh well, this will be on YouTube tomorrow, so.
Ladies and gentlemen, we want you to count down. The excitement is palpable here. Let's count down from 10,
This will
9,
be 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ignition, level up, and the devil eye, everybody! We're here in Liverpool today, and we're excited for some amazing wrestling action, including the level up briefcase scramble matches coming up a little bit later on. But our opening bout today, a tag team contest scheduled for one fall.
One fall!
Introducing first.
Je marche dans la ville, un groupe de disques, gang boss, un son fort, je le d'accord, il a du sens, hey, good, Gucci, 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 knock, 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 Gucci, 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 knock, knock,
And ladies and gentlemen, their opponents. gentlemen. What's happening, Gareth?
So I let goes TNT spit a few words.
I've finally got my hands on these two pocket children! TNT, make some noise! And I've got the perfect tag team partner, being him go way back in our boxing career. He's the champion here on TNT. None other than RPD! And ladies and gentlemen, of mystery tag partner, fighting out of the cage,
What? You just, yeah. RPD. Don't tap it out now. Go on, lad. Slam him! Slam him! Slam him! Slam him! Do not tap! Do not tap! Tommy, lad! Go on, Tommy, lad! D, RPD, 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 RPD. God, Tommy, lad! RPD, RPD, RPD. That's what you call bad viewfinder management. Slam him, lad! Slam him! All right. RPG, RPG, RPG. We want Tommy! We want Tommy! We want Tommy! Boo! I know I've got no signal. Finish him! Slam him! Slam him! Slam him! Do not tap! Do not tap! Do not tap! RPD! 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 Knock him out! Knock him out, Tommy! Knock him out!
Ladies and gentlemen, your winners, the two of Gallows and RPD.
Was it RPD? I'm going to be honest, I don't think that was his best that he wrestled. I thought that was a bit poo, to be fair.
Here's your back of the middle one more time. Make some noise for the bad boys, Killer Cruz, Jared Perry, and now,